Welcome to InsectX, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the previous video, we have gone through the basic auxiliary modules where we have quickly ran a scan module against the target machine. In this video, we will focus on usage of inbuilt and external plugins. Metasploit framework contains inbuilt and third-party tools for which they have been widely used for regular penetration test. And these will be very much comes into handy during the runtime for performing basic vulnerability scanning. Based on this, one can easily classify the threat level by generating the report. In our video demonstrations, we will be using the Nessus as a basic vulnerability scanner. Now let's start with the basic installation of the Nessus over the Kali Linux. So in order to do that, we need to open up the official Nessus website. First of all, you need to download the package. So this is the Nessus home page. We need to fill out the details. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using a third-party temporary disposable email ID, Gorilla Mail, a temporary 1 hour email, disposable mail. So let us copy to the clipboard. Click on register. Now we will be getting the activation code. So you can see here we got an activation code. This is our activation code. Let us save it in a text file. Save it. Okay. Now let us download the Nessus. Here you need to choose your operating system. So I'll be using the Linux and my compatible package, that is AMD. Click on save. Let me save it on my root folder. Click on save. Now the download process has been started. So it is unpacking the package and it will get installed within the few seconds. So all the plugins are loaded now. We need to start the Nessus service by issuing the following command. Open up the following URL and make sure that you need to supply HTTPS and the port number is 8834. Here you need to add the exception. I understand the risk. Click on add exception and click on confirm the security exception. Now click on get started. Let me use the default credentials root, tour and tour. Click on next. Here you need to copy the activation code which you got it from the Nessus. Paste it out there and click on next. So we have successfully registered. Now we need to download the plugins. Click on download the plugins. It takes some time. Let's wait for it. The installation is about to get completed. The plugins are downloaded almost. Still the installation is going on. What we will do is we will stop the video here itself. In the next video, we will start the Nessus service and we will open up this portal localhost 8834 and we shall log in with the default credentials. And we will perform basic network vulnerability scan against our target machine and we will generate the report. And after generating the report, based on the output generated, we shall perform the exploitation. That's all for this video. Thanks for